Hi guys, welcome to Make Money with Video. I'm Jay and this video is all about the best video creator app, and we're just going to look at a certain kind of video called Scroll Stopper. And what those videos are, guys, is basically when you're on Facebook and you're scrolling down, they're the kind of videos what look like they're coming out of the screen and you automatically stop and you look at the video basically because it looks like a Facebook post, but it's got like a 3D character in that. But anyway, before we get into that, guys, this is my channel and I upload videos on how to make money online using video on different social media sites. And if you're new here, please give us a subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like the video, guys. Now, without further ado, we're just looking at two different apps today. I own both of them. I'll show you the price at the towards the end of the video of them, and if you want to check them out, the links will be in the description. But let's just get into it, guys. Yeah. So the first one is a very new app called Video Creator, and as you can see, they're giving you a coupon for $18 off if you click this. But yeah, so basically, it's a video creator app, and if you want to click on the link and read it, or you can. But they make some sort of videos like scroll stoppers and corporate commercials, motion tracker, yeah, flipbooks. Pretty good. You use that one, guys. It makes so many, guys. I really do like this app. There's lots of different reviews here. Shows you all different percentages and stuff like that. Without video creator, with video creator, shows you some more. Sorry if I'm going too fast, but basically it's an all-in-one video maker, ready-made video templates, and that's what you want, guys. You want ready-made video templates, so then you can quickly send them to businesses and other people, and like business people, and just offer them the video and like make some money, guys. Edit them a little bit, put the logo on it. Yeah, that's all it's about. Customize everything, upload your own logos, images, and music. You've got them in all different dimensions. That's good for like all different social medias. Royalty-free images. That's what you want, because you don't want to get done if you want to upload to YouTube. You don't want to get done for copyright. Easy to use dashboard, full HD resolution, built-in music library. It's cloud-based. You don't have to download anything, guys. It's step-by-step training and top-notch support. I do vouch for them. I've got lots of their products. Yeah. And yeah, so it shows different videos, but we're looking at the scroll stoppers today. Now let's have a quick video, yeah. So if you look, it looks like Facebook, doesn't it? Yeah, so you put your logo on that, your company name or business. And this is what it basically is. Just these are scroll stoppers, guys. Now let's scroll. Let's scroll down to the price. Yeah. So the price for this, guys, is $67 one time, guys. And if you use that, you get $18 off. Yeah. So if we go into the app. Yeah, I've scroll down here, you've got all these different videos you can make, all these different templates, but I've stopped on scroll stoppers, guys, and these are all the scroll stoppers they do. You can edit them in that. If you look, basically, they're just people walking across the screen, and I mean, there's quite a few what look the same to me. Yeah, so you can change these. You can you contact your doctor and say, we can make this for your coffee guy. Don't know who's drinking a coffee. Soldier here. Yeah. Selfie guy looks like he's on X Factor and that in the background. But yeah, you can change these guys. Look, you've got a wolf here, a dog, sorry, or a wolf. You got quite a lot to look at. I mean, there's quite a lot that look the same, to be fair. It's the first time I'm looking at this, guys. I have used the app quite a lot, but this is the first time I'm looking at the scroll stoppers. Now this is an alligator, yeah. I'm showing you this because there's an alligator on the other app I'm going to show you. And it comes all the way and it stops. Or the other one might be a crocodile. But like, look, you've got like this school walking on camera. Yeah. You got these things coming right at you. You think, oh no, is he going to stop? Is he going to stop? Please stop, please stop. Now I can't seem to see that baseball one, guys. Do you remember what I just showed you on the other page? Can't see the baseball one. But anyway, so this is $67, guys. This is Video Creator. It's a good app, especially with all these different templates, guys. And then the next one, guys, is Create Studio. Yeah, and I've come straight on the pricing, and the price is $99 per year. Yeah, and I can get you a discount, so you can get it for $67 one-time fee, guys. That is it, one-time fee, and it's got loads of reviews on Trustpilot. It's great. Yeah, let's have a quick look. Like that one. Yeah, you can create lots of different videos, promotional videos, your 3D character explainer videos, doodle sketch videos, quite popular, stomp teasers, character explainers. But we're looking for the scroll stoppers. Yeah. So I'm not sure if it's going to show us now. It's not showing us. So if I jump into the app, guys, this is the app, and as you can see, scroll stoppers. You can make all these different ones, and these are the quality of the scroll stoppers. So if you look, they're more like this one. Yeah. So you can see these, and this is the alligator one, or crocodile. Yeah, crocodile. Yeah. I mean, right at you. And I like these ones better, guys. I just feel like, look, this is like your Facebook page, isn't it? Like you can change all these. You can change the background. You put like the sea there if you want or whatever. And look, looks like it's coming at you. And this guy looks like he's climbing over your stuff. 3D coffee here, coffee house. And I just feel like they've got more selection. Now look at this guy. Remember that baseball one? Yeah. I like that one a lot. It's quite cool, that. Yeah, so you got all these. Like, nice one where. Yeah. This one, burgers coming out of the screen. No, that last one. Pie in the face, guys. Pie in the face. Oh, this guy. Yeah. Oh, play one. Oh, another one. So you could put, maybe you could put the other, the crocodile here. Although, guys, I said the crocodile in the sea, and it doesn't belong in the sea, does it? So my apologies. Look at this guy. Look at this one. When people duck when they see that. Oh, this is an horrible one. This. Look at this. You think your phone's broke if you've just seen that while you're looking on Facebook. This one, guys. Oh, it's just bubbles, isn't it? Coffee one. Flaming hot. On fire, dude. Yeah, so there's loads, and there's loads that I've not even seen before, guys. Just looking at this. Let's have a look at this. That noise reminds me of Stone Cold Steve Austin off the WWE. Yes, another one. So, guys, like, look, there's lots of different ones, and you can change them, you can edit them, and that you can play about. Oh, such a child. Oh, I don't like snakes. Yeah. So this is Create Studio, guys. Yeah, and you can get this for a one-time fee of $67. The link for this and the link for video creator will be in the description. Now, there's nothing wrong with this, guys. Video Creator is such a great app. Like I said, it's got all these different ones. I just feel like on the scroll stopper side, these look a bit plain. Like you just get someone on most of them walking across the screen. It's not really like coming out at you. You know what I mean? It's not like 3D coming out and scaring you. Now, the baseball one did, but I can't seem to find it. I think this guy comes out at you a little bit. A bit slow like this guy. But then he started to open his mouth and scare us. Yeah. Yeah, I can't see that baseball one. So, now this one, guys. Did you like this one with the ant? Or the other one with loads of ants crawling everywhere over the screen? Kind of like that one, guys. Yeah. So that is it, guys. Video Creator and Create Studio. Both links will be in the description, guys. Let me know which one do you think looks like the better one. They're both around about the same price. You get this. There's a discount on both of them, and yeah, guys, they don't just do scroll stoppers, but today's video was just about the scroll stopper. So comment below if you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and until next time, guys, thank you and goodbye.